Yesterday I discussed rolling motion. Rolling motion. What is the rolling motion? The best example is wheels of the vehicle. Okay? The best example is wheels of the vehicle. Rolling motion is a combination of rotatory as well as the translatory motion. Simply, rolling motion is a combination of rotatory as well as the translatory motion. Okay, Nana? In this situation, today I discuss body on an inclined plane. Body rolls on an inclined plane. Look here, all of you. This is the inclined plane. Okay? In the situation, angle of inclination is theta. This is the body, Nana. This is the rolling body. The concept is rolling motion. This is the rolling body, Nana. In the rolling body, once again I repeat, angle of inclination is theta. This rolling body slides down, Nana. Length of the inclined plane is L. Once again I repeat, here what is the meaning of L, Nana? Length of the inclined plane, Nana. L is nothing but the length of the inclined plane. In this situation, body slides down, Nana. Look here, all of you. Body slides down. In this situation, this force is, look here, all of you. This force is mg sin theta. We know that inclined plane parallel to slope always mg sin theta. Perpendicular to slope always mg cos theta. Body says a action, floor says a opposite reaction. This opposite reaction is called as normal reaction. Look here. Here body slides down. Here body slides down. Friction act up the plane. Friction act up the plane. Look here. In this situation, again, body slides down. Friction acts up the plane. Okay? Nana, because of friction, here the body is rotatory as well as the translatory. This motion is called rolling motion. Okay? This is here. Forces acting on the body also identified. Here, in this motion, what is the net force? In this motion, what is the net force? Look here. Here, net force acting on the body is, look here. Downward force is there, backward force is there. Body sliding down, mg sin theta more. Always first write larger force, next to write smaller force, mg sin theta. This is F. Both are opposite direction. Here write minus. Okay, Nana? In the situation, Newton's second law, F equal to ma. Okay, right side, mg sin theta minus frictional force. Equation number 1. Bangar Kondalu completed. But this body is rolling. Rolling means rotate as well as the translatory motion. Here torque nana enduku ante friction kanukoవాలి. Torque definition about this point. Torque means force into perpendicular distance. Here force is friction. Nana because of friction the body rotates. That's why torque due to friction. Friction into this is the perpendicular distance, that is the radius of the given body. Torque means force into perpendicular distance. Distance measured where to where? Force to fixed point. Okay? Here now, right side. Torque completed. Torque formula, another formula in rotatory motion is I alpha. Look here now. F R, right side, I, moment of inertia of a body is mk square. Moment of inertia of a body is mk square. I equal to mk square. Look here, all of you. In that situation, moment of inertia of a body mk square. A की alpha की relation A equal to R alpha. Alpha write as A by R. We know that friction formula Bangaru Pandalu. Friction is, look here Nana, mk square A whole by R into R. R into R square. Do you understand? Nana, moment of inertia formula mk square. Okay? Alpha formula A by R. This is the friction formula. Here, why here? Torque is friction. Because of friction, the body rotates. Turn. Okay? Here now. Here substitute. According to equation 1, MA equal to right side same mg sin theta con minus friction right as, look here all of you, mk square by R square into A minus other side plus none. Minus other side plus. Look here all of you. MA plus. Look here Nana. MA K square by R square. Minus other side plus. Right side mg sin theta. M cancel. In the left side common term is Akash. Donga Akash 1 plus K square by R square equal to right side G sin theta. What is the formula Akash? A value is G sin theta whole by 1 plus K square by R square. This is the formula for acceleration of a rolling body sliding down on inclined plane. Acceleration of the rolling body sliding down on inclined plane. What is the acceleration of the rolling body? G sin theta by 1 plus K square by R square. Please write. Frictional force from equation 2. Look here Nana. M into K square by R square into A. Equation 3. A value G g sin theta by, look here, 1 plus k square by r square. In the situation, frictional force is m g sin theta whole by this k square denominator. Look here, all of you, r square by k square into 1 plus k square by r square. Neatly I write. This is inside Nana. Here, look here, all of you. F equal to F is nothing but the frictional force. Here body rolling down on inclined plane, mg sin theta. Inside to right, r square by k square plus r square cancel, k square cancel. Here we get 1. Neatly write as frictional force is 1 plus r square by k square. This is the formula for frictional force. Equation number 4. What is the F nana? Tell me. F is nothing but the frictional force. F is nothing but the frictional force. Frictional force formula is mg sin theta by 1 plus r square by k square. We know that frictional force basic formula mu into n. Here mu is called coefficient of friction. According to diagram, n balances the mg cos theta. Right side. Look here now. mg sin theta whole by 1 plus r square by k square. In the situation, mg cancel. Finally write mu value is sin by cos. Tell me Nana. Tan theta whole by 1 plus r square by k square. This is the coefficient of friction formula. This is the coefficient of friction formula. What is the coefficient of friction formula? Tan theta by 1 plus tan theta by 1 plus r square by k square. This is the equation number 5. Please write down. This is the inclined plane. This is the body, rolling body. Rolling body initially at rest. It's sliding down. Angle of inclination is theta. It will be sliding down, reaches the bottom. At bottom, its velocity is how much? Velocity of the rolling body at the bottom is how much? In the situation, length of the inclined plane is L. Okay, Nana? In that situation, we apply, in this situation, Here, according to data u0, v value is how much? This is the question. A, acceleration of the rolling body. The formula is acceleration of the rolling body. The formula is g sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square. Length of the inclined plane is L. Acceleration of the rolling body, that is formula, sliding down. V there, U there, A there, S there. What is the kinematic third equation according to data? V square minus U square equal to 2AS Vamsi. In the situation, V square okay Vamsi, U, Akash, U becomes 0. 2. What is the A value? What is the A value? G sin theta whole by 1 plus k square by r square. A value completed. Distance is L. What is the formula for velocity of the rolling body at the bottom of inclined plane? Neatly write as 2gl sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square. This is the formula for velocity of the body at the bottom of the inclined plane. Right now. Equation number anta 5. Body initially at rest, top of the inclined plane. Body rolling reaches the bottom. The question is time taken by the rolling body to reach bottom. In this situation, u becomes 0, length of the inclined plane is L. Okay. Time taken by the body to reach bottom. The question is time taken by the rolling body to reach bottom. Here A value means acceleration of the rolling body is g sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square. S is there. Kinematic second equation we apply. S equal to, tell me Nana, ut plus half at square. Initially rolling body rest, u value 0. S value is L equal to half into. What is the A value? G sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square into t square. According to this situation, denominator other side, numerator. Finally, this right Vamsi 2. Okay, L Vasim whole by 2L into, look here Nana, 1 plus k square by r square, k square by r square whole by g sin theta. This is the time taken by the rolling body to reach bottom. Very important formula from top. Equation number 6. radius of gyration denoted by K. For example, the body name ring, oval or hollow cylinder. Second one disc, oval or solid cylinder. Third one ring, hollow cylinder, disc, solid cylinder. Next hollow sphere. Hollow sphere. Next solid sphere. These bodies ki determine the radius of gyration. About geometrical axis, ring formula is ring moment of inertia is mr square. Disc aithe about geometrical axis mr square by 2. Hollow sphere 2 by 3 mr square. Solid sphere 2 by 5 mr square. What is the basic formula for I? Moment of inertia of the body is mk square. Compare basic equation. Ring ki k square value. Tell me nana r square. Disc ki k square value. Mass పక్కన ఉన్నది మొత్తం k square. mk square. r square by 2. Hollow sphere ki చెప్పాలన్నా k square equal to 2 by 3 r square. Solid sphere ki k square 2 by 5 r square. Once again I repeat. Ring ki r square. Disc ki r square by 2. Hollow sphere ki 2 by 3 r square. Solid sphere ki 2 by 5 r square. 2 by 5 r square. Look here, all of you. Look here now. This is the inclined plane now. Here body initially at rest. Rolling down, it reaches the bottom. For example, acceleration of the ring now. Acceleration of the ring. Acceleration on the rolling body on inclined plane is g sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square. Acceleration of the ring g sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square. Generally ring k value k square value r square cancel. Finally 1 plus 1 nana once again repeat nana labadhe mundu formula rayandi idiga idi acceleration of the rolling body nana. First to apply acceleration of the ring. Look here, ring k square value r square 1 plus 1 2 1 by 2 0.5 g sin theta. Acceleration of the rolling body is, for example, disc ki k square value r square by 2. Simply 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 3 by 2. reverse 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 0.67 g sin theta. Equation number 2. Acceleration of the hollow sphere. Look here, Nana. Hollow sphere. Hollow sphere means k square value 2 by 3 r square. 1 plus 2 by 3. Write as 5 by 3. Reverse 3 by 5. 0.6 g sin theta. Acceleration of the solid sphere. Solid sphere k value, k square value 2 by 5 r square. R square cancel. 1 plus 2 by 5 write as in the denominator 7 by 5. Simply it will be reverse 5 by 7. 0.71 g sin theta. Look here. These bodies which have more accelerating body is accelerating of the solid sphere. Highest acceleration is solid sphere. Acceleration of the solid sphere highest. Next, acceleration of the disc machine. Next, acceleration of the hollow sphere. Next, acceleration of the ring. In the four bodies which have less acceleration, ring. In the four bodies which have more accelerations, solid sphere. We know that kinematic second equation, S equal to ut plus half at square. A body initially rests u0. According to this situation, time write as 2s by a. Time acceleration is inversely. Acceleration more, the time is less. Simply the answer is the body have more acceleration. It reaches quickly. వీటిల్లో ఏ బాడీ క్విక్లీ రీచ్ అవుతుంది? యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నదేంటి? సాలిడ్ స్పియర్. సో సాలిడ్ స్పియర్ రీచ్ క్విక్లీ. ఏది లేట్గా చిన్నగా నిదానంగా అవుతుంది? రింగ్ హ్యావ్ లెస్ యాక్సిలరేషన్. దట్స్ వై నిదానంగా వచ్చే బాడీ రింగ్. టైమ్స్ రిలేషన్ రాద్దామా? Here time and acceleration inversely. That's why time of the solid sphere less than time of the disk less than time of the hollow sphere less than time of the ring. In these bodies, which body have more time? Ring. In these bodies, which body have less time? Solid sphere.